Santoshi, a fresher, got placed at 6 lakhs per annum salary in Capgemini. Manoj got placed at 26 lakhs per annum salary in IBM. And Sisha got 4 offer letters and finally got placed in Accenture with 24 lakhs per annum salary. We have over 150 plus success stories like this in the last few months with our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Redwood plus AI practical training. At Triotech Software Trainings, you will not just learn Oracle HCM Cloud theoretically, but we will help you implementing real-time projects, work on practical scenarios, build hands-on experience, and create a strong profile that can help you get a high-paying IT job faster. With our proven framework of real-time training with Redwood and UI concepts, and also with AI integrated learning, interview preparation, mock interviews, and placement strategies, we have transformed more than 4,000 plus students so far from the last 10 years journey in our academy. Do you want to be our next success story? Then click on the link below and connect with our team to book a consultation call today.